May we please request everyone to please take their seats. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the third and last day of the 2009 LMP General Assembly.
National President of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines, Mayor Ramon N. Gico Jr., for his report to Her Excellency Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
Her Excellency, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, to President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, on what we need from the national government.
Ating mga punong bayan, ikinagagalak kong ipakilala sa inyo ang ina ng mga Pilipinas, walang iba, pinakamamahal nating Pangulo, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat, Secretary Claudio, sa iyong pagpapakilala sa akin. Maraming salamat at congratulations, Mayor Monching Gico, sa iyong napakagandang mga ginawa para sa League of Municipalities of the Philippines. Pinupuri ko naman kayong lahat sa tulong na hinandog ninyo sa mga nasalanta sa mga nakaraang bagyo. Maraming salamat sa inyo at sa inyong mga mamamayan. Tama yon sinabi ni Mayor Gico. Sa loob ng 8 o halos 9 na taong nagkasama tayo, together, we have been seeking ways to improve the quality of governance and the delivery of services down to the grassroots. And so, my wish is for LMP to go forward as a stronger, more confident, and more effective organization. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.